வணக்கம் கனகராஜ் ஐயா, நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
நல்லா இருக்கு.
வெரி நைஸ் ஐயா, ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு பார்க்குறோம்.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம், நீங்கள் எலெக்ஷன் நினைக்கிறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
எல்லாம் உங்கள் ஆசீர்வாதம் ஐயா.
ஸோ இந்த சந்தர்ப்பத்தில் நம்ம வந்து மெம்பர்ஸுக்கு என்ன பண்ண முடியும், வாட் யூ கேன் டூ ஃபார் த மெம்பர்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு இதுக்காக தான்
அதில் தான் வந்து இந்த நெட்வொர்க்கிங்கில் பற்றி என்னென்னா, நீங்கள் அதுலேயே கரை புரண்டு ஓடியதுனால அதை பற்றி இன்றைக்கி என்ன அதனுடைய பிரச்சனைகள் இருக்குது, ஏன் வந்து நெட்வொர்க்கிங்னால வந்து ஸ்மால் அண்ட் மீடியம் ப்ராக்டிஷனர்ஸ் வந்து பயனடையவில்லை அப்படின்றத சொன்னீங்கன்னா, அதற்கு எந்த மாதிரியான வழிமுறைகள் வந்து நம்ம சென்ட்ரல் கவுன்சில் மூலமாக செய்ய முடியும், மேம்படுத்த முடியுன்றதை வந்து நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் ஐயா.
இல்லை, அதுதான் இப்போது ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏற்கனவே வந்த நெட்வொர்க்கிங்க்கும் பெரிய ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் இல்லை, உங்களுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும்.
ஆமாய்யா.
இப்போ நவ் தே ஹேவ் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ்ட் அ மாடிஃபைட் ஒன் ஃப்ரம் 2021. இதுக்கும் வந்து பெரிய ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் நான் எதிர்பார்க்கல. என்ன காரணம்?
எதிர்பார்க்கல.
காரணம்னா, personally what I feel, institute has not understood what is meant by network. We have to emulate what these so-called big fours are doing. We call them as big four firms, but they are not firms. They are only networks.
They are networks.
So we have to understand what they are doing. So அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒன்று வந்து, for example, if you take a major networking firm, the so-called big four, their major income, 2/3 of their income is not from audit.
Not from core competent area.
Not from audit. Only 1/3 is from audit.
Audit, okay.
So institute should frame the rules in such a way that we are able to develop the other capabilities and we are getting more work other than audit assignment.
Okay.
So you know what is happening in respect of NEFRA, small audits எல்லாம். So அதுக்கு capabilities create பண்ணணும்.
Okay.
But இந்த நெட்வொர்க்லாம் எப்படின்னா, you can apply in the name of the network. அதை வந்து நான் கன்சிடர் பண்ண சொல்லுவோம். Again we are going back to audit areas only. Whereas most of the things they get from non-audit areas. That is number one.
Okay.
And number two, their major strength is their resources. For example, some of the one of the networking firm has got a separate university. So that is the level of documents and resources they have got. So do we have that sort of resources, or whether any attempt has been made? For example, 1 week back there was a request in a group from a member. He is asking for a partnership in Tamil. He is asking it in a WhatsApp group. That means it is not available in a common source. So we have not provided enough resources, whereas they have got so much of resources, they are spending so much money on that. There is one. For example, if I am given a new project, somebody is asking me to prepare a project report to the size of 500 crores.
Okay.
It is an industry in which I don't have an experience.
Okay.
So I'll have to run around to collect the data.
Okay.
Whereas for them, if I am a part of a so-called big four, I can just click my mouse and I can get all the data
on the table.
So that is the amount of resources, that is the nature of resources that they have got. So that is point number 2.
As a council member, if I am going as a representative, I represent the small and medium practitioners. Being a small and medium practitioner, and on entering into the council, I have already stated my vision for being a council member, and also the mission for this particular 3 years of my council membership. In that, more particularly, I have given the action points, 7 action points I have given. Among the 7 action points, one is that of fast tracking the network, and the other one is the facilitation with reference to faceless assessment. When the 2 points combinedly, when you see, it can give an answer for you. This facilitating of faceless assessment, what we propose and what we want to do is, it is not that we are going to drain on the resources of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The MSME cluster formation is already an issue, already an scheme which is available. Only thing, the cluster formation has to be routed through the institution, and we will select areas where 100 practitioners are there, practicing SMPs are there, in which we will try to form a cluster of those 100 chartered accountants, and also the assessees who are the chartered accountants clients will be the beneficiary. Hence the beneficiary is automatically multiplied by the number of clients these 100 people are going to have. Hence the finding of the beneficiary, documented beneficiary, and having the members of the cluster is not going to have a problem. With this, once we create a state-of-art infrastructure technology with a able database administrator properly paid for him and being there to assist the members with reference to this particular facility, then it will solve one of the major problem with reference to the access to resources and utilization of the state-of-art technology, which is very much obsolete immediately on the time of installation of such technologies. And once it comes through this cluster formation, adequate resources are available and the subsidy up to the extent of 90% is available for such infrastructure formation, which is ultimately whatever is beneficial to the members is beneficial to the users of the assessees, and assessees are the people who contribute to the tax of the government, and hence this will be going through that. We will try to go into that, and this what is called your fast tracking of networking, we say, no, that fast tracking networking also will be seen, will be enjoyed, will be experienced by these 100 people who form part of that, and then they understand what is the benefit of being together, and we will try to educate them on the networking things, and whatever the new formulation of networking is there, we will try to incorporate them and we will make them right sized firms. It is not the small firms or medium firms, it will become right sized firms. That is the way in which we have put in our mission statement.
Okay. See, the next point which I want to stress is the third one is their technology. So, as far as the so-called big fours are concerned, everything they have got, a software for.
Yes, sir.
So, do we have that sort of a thing? For example, there are some initiative by the institute by which the practice management softwares are made available of third-party softwares. But there, the issue is not alone the cost. It is about the secrecy of our clients' data.
Yes. Once again, coming to this, already being a candidate for the Central Council election, what we are facing now is with reference to the empanelment of bank audit, that MAF forms, wherein the institute is asking for the uploading of the XML files with reference to the returns filed, wherein the TAN numbers of the parties who are deducting tax for the chartered accountants are getting known, and then once again who is going to be given this maintenance of these data and whether it will be leak proof, all these things are rising, and this question which you are asking is very much relevant and which will be a issue to be tackled. We will definitely see what is the way in which it needs
solution
to be
could be the institute itself can develop softwares using
there what has
third
happened
parties.
Previously, when you see what has happened with reference to the institution is, it itself has taken with reference to double accounting conversion work of very many things, and what has happened, that is not the activity for which the institute is being formed. It is within the members and the students regulation and all other things, ethics and professional conduct, all these things are the areas which has to be looked. And when we form such things, it is once again becoming a cartel. How well it will go with the other 32 council members, I am not in a position to understand and tell at this point of time. But from my side, as a council member, being a part of the council as a representative of the small and medium practitioners, I will be definitely in a position to push this facilitation for the SMPs.
So, next point could be about the branding.
Branding,
so
yes,
next
sir.
thing what the big fours are doing is their branding.
Yes, sir.
But where we have got our own regulations, so the members themselves cannot do any branding.
Yes,
but institutes should find a way out whereby they can do the branding. For example, the outside outsourcing work are coming only to companies in India.
Definitely.
You are talking about so much of regulatory compliances for chartered accountants. That means the data, once it is given to them, it will be safe.
Yes.
This assurance should be given to outsiders.
One point in this, among the 7 points which I have stated in my statement of mission, is that one is that of ensuring of quality audit. That insurance of quality audit will make the chartered accountants and more particularly the SMPs as a looked over people. Now that quality is somewhere or other missing out, and the stamp of quality with UDIN coming into force, and the institutes as a quality has over a period of time has come down certain notches, and it is not come down for the ever. It is a temporary phenomena in which few notches has come down because of our self relenting and our self lobbying onto a different sectors and categories. And once that lobbying and approaching in the right methodology is there, it will definitely see to that uprightness in which we go about and do things. Definitely the value for the institute serviced members and the institute other than the institute members service will be known. Now also when you see, we as a number is very limited to grab many other things as unless otherwise we have the numbers and we give the quality, we will not be in a position to sustain such things. Once we develop that quality among the members, then the businessman will fold towards the SMPs for their services. Even now they are aware that going to practitioners, income tax practitioners and others, and coming to a chartered accountant as a difference. But this is not branded, as you say. This branding has to be done, because even in the scam cases which has come out, they have not understood what is the limitation of the auditors and where the audit starts and where the accounting ends itself is not known to the general public. The auditing starts where accounting ends, or where the financial statements are prepared. From that point onwards, the auditing is starting. That is not known. They are thinking that from the initial voucher, the audit starts.
Creation of voucher.
Yeah, from the creation of voucher, audit starts. Hence, that type of branding and all will have to be done, and we will be, as a part of 32-member council, we will emphasis on these areas and we will do the necessary.
The last request could be getting more work for example, assignments from abroad.
Yes.
Even in small areas, concentration have to be given. For
now,
example,
with reference to the understanding of the entire population structure and other things, numbers is needed for India. We are the second largest chartered accountants in the world, and we will in any way over a period of time will reach the first mark also. And once we are in a position to offer the services, and the population as such with reference to the chartered accountants in India and outside India, and the availability of such chartered accountants at ease, when the infrastructure, nanotechnologies and all going to come, the place is not going to be a deterrent for the services to be offered, and naturally and automatically it needs to come. Any policy decision by even foreign countries avoiding and stopping the work from going outside will not help when it is available, as the quality is the criteria, and it will definitely happen in the period of time to come. Nandri.
so all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.